Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash on the side? Whether you're saving up for a big purchase or just want to pad your bank account, a side hustle can be a great way to earn some additional income. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 side hustles that you can start today, with little to no upfront investment. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 side hustles that you can start right now, with little to no upfront investment. Let's get started. Pet sitting / dog walking. If you're an animal lover, offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker in your local area. Social media management. If you're a social media pro, offer your services to small business owners who need help managing their online presence. Virtual assistant. If you have great organizational and administrative skills, consider becoming a virtual assistant for busy professionals. House sitting. If you're responsible and reliable, house sitting can be a great side hustle. Look for opportunities on websites like Trusted House Sitters. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a great way to make extra money. Etsy seller. If you're crafty, consider setting up an Etsy shop to sell your handmade goods. Rideshare driver. If you have a car and some spare time, become a rideshare driver for companies like Uber or Lyft. Delivery driver. If you prefer delivering packages over people, consider becoming a delivery driver for companies like Amazon or Instacart. Babysitting. If you're great with kids, offer your services as a babysitter in your local area. And there you have it, 10 side hustles that you can start today. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is to find something that you enjoy doing and that you're good at. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one.